I could space it out, but then it doesn't work up here. Or I could bend that ear over or something like that. I was thinking about that for the front wheels. The front wheels need a spacer because they bind going in and out of the parking lot. Whenever the front of the ship hits a bump, the wheel comes up and rubs right on that frame rail right there. And it breaks things. Usually the steering cable snaps. It wears a big groove in the tire. It's gnarly. So I'm thinking about putting some, well, those bump stops in there, and then that can't happen. And then also the back amp can't fall down, which is kind of not as fun because wheelies are wheelies, but I think it'll make the car a lot less stressful to drive around. So that's what I've been working on today. Here I am in this fun place. This thing was wired with a bizarre convention where somehow the upper and lower plugs were on different circuits. I'm wearing myself out with ooh. Maybe I should stop rubbing my face. I'm getting kind of gross. It's hot and sweaty. There's nobody else here. Trying to stay motivated here, it's actually quite difficult. But I can't say anymore that it's August. Or July, because it's August. So, yeah, that's where we're at. This list is just kind of debilitating, but so far I've gotten one thing done. And I started doing the second, but it became clear my cable wasn't going to be long enough, so I got to make a new cable, and that's a pain in the butt. So, gotta figure that out. Yeah, that's what's happening. My knees love this. Just kneeling under the car with tie wraps and just tidying stuff up, working my way around. Oh, I gotta find those longer ones. That's what I was doing. All the tie wraps that are on here have started to disintegrate, so I'm just going through and replacing them all, rather than figure out some other way to do it. Because hey, there ain't time to make it perfect. Just time to make it go. So I found this girl here, this young lady on the beach in Oroville, and someone had smushed her boobs in. But I was able to stick a pencil down through her armhole and with the eraser end, pop them back out. But she's had a pretty hard summer. Maybe she's ready to go to the playa. Ta-da! Oh, just a few more zippa-zappas and it'll be a lot closer. I just got the fuel line to figure out. But Jesse says he's on his way. Hopefully he's bringing a beer. And that'll motivate me. Or demotivate me. Oh, back on the knees. Alright, I can just kind of hang out there. Not cause any problems. Get rid of this moot before it lands on the fly. I'm really enjoying just throwing stuff on the ground, knowing that we can just sweep up this concrete. I've been having a really good time doing that, actually. Because usually I'm doing this kind of stuff on the playa. And I have to carefully manage all of my tie wrap zippy ends and stuff. Or just leave them hairy, as it were. And as much as I profess to hate tie wraps, I certainly seem to be able to use a lot of them. Why shouldn't I put that one up more in the middle? Needless attention to detail. Nobody cares, dude. Nobody gives a fuck. They're all just high. They're all just high and having fun. Only I know all my zip ties are oriented the same way, and they're approximately equally spaced, and all the stuff that only I care about.
Well, here we are. I don't even know what time it is now. I know we're slowly running out of daylight. It is 8:30 in the evening. I don't even remember what day it is now.
I'm trying to work here, man.
Yeah, I know. Look at Hyde.
Very serious,
Yeah.
very serious attitude right now.
Yeah, look how serious his attitude is with his fucking ass cheeks hanging out. That's how serious he is.
Yeah, I'm serious.
But
Really getting to me.
But in all seriousness, we're gonna drive it. Like right now. All right. Stay tuned. Perfectly. Look at the captain back there. Driving the shit out of this pirate boat. I'm gonna jump up front. Hyde-made pony boat is moving and epic. We're good, we're good. You're driving it.